Digital Growth Summit is a great platform to exchange ideas that are keeping us awake at night. Participants are very open about what is working and what not.
I think every day we are getting new ideas, new impulses, and we need a space to talk about. And this is a great place to do this.
And it's really interesting to see that we have the same issues and the same challenges in different media in Europe.
So Nikita's session from Newsroom Robots I thought was fantastic. What the future of news consumption will look like. I was furiously WhatsApping my team throughout, and it's really given us some food for thought on what our future strategy to acquire new audiences should be.
I talk a lot about the applications of AI in my keynotes, and what was really great today was to see those applications being brought to life, people actually using AI. It's going to be an exciting 5 years, and if we place the right bets, it's just going to make this industry thrive.